Hare Krishna devotees, welcome to our Zoom meeting. Today, we are going to discuss on the characteristic of a bona fide spiritual master. Who is a spiritual master? Srila Prabhupada says, a spiritual master is he who has taken the message from another qualified spiritual master. This is just like a medical man who has taken the knowledge of medical science from another medical man. Similarly, the bona fide spiritual master must come in the line of a successive spiritual master. The original spiritual master is God, one who has heard from God explain the same message to his disciple. The disciple doesn't change the message, he is a bona fide spiritual master. That is our process. We take listen by hearing from Krishna, God, and from him understand who is perfect. Or we hear from his representative who does not contradict Krishna and who has realized his message. It is not that we speak one thing and do all nonsense. One who does so is not a spiritual master. Let us try to understand our spiritual master who is always in blissful Krishna consciousness. Let us meditate on him. Being inspired by him, let us meditate on the qualities of our beloved spiritual master. Such constant remembering, glorifying, takes us close to the spiritual master. Let me show you the PPT on the qualities. Dear devotees, this is an interactive class. As we describe quality by quality in each slide, each of you can share your thoughts, experiences, and realizations. The first characteristic we are going to discuss is spiritual master teaches revealed Vedic scriptures. It is mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam that any person who seriously desires real happiness must seek a bona fide spiritual master and take shelter of him by initiation. The bona fide spiritual master has realized the conclusion of the scriptures by deliberation and is able to convince others of these conclusions. Such great personalities have taken shelter of Supreme Godhead, leaving aside all material consideration. Dear devotees, please share your realizations.
Prabhuji, I have a point to share. Srila Gurudeva has full faith in the words of Lord Krishna and his spiritual master. He is able to confidently convince others by his relentless optimism about the Krishna consciousness process. I once doubted the words of Srila Gurudeva when he said that we should be able to see the Lord face to face. I thought he was aiming for the impossible. But Srila Gurudeva refuted my argument and showed with scriptural injunctions and examples like Dhruva Maharaj that it is indeed possible. Jai Srila Gurudeva.
Yes, his convincing power is great and explains high philosophy in simple language. One of his mails, Gurudev said that you can't artificially jump to the stage of throwing of awe and reverence and conquering the Lord. But you can only reach this stage by faithfully serving Guru and Krishna. And this stage is sadhana bhakti. Do not try to artificially jump to the Raganuga bhakti because it's stage of spontaneous love. Otherwise, you will be Sahajiya, who takes the process cheaply and becomes spoiled.
Leela Manjari Devi Dasi will be speaking about few more characteristics.
So now we are going to the second characteristics of the spiritual master. The real objective of the spiritual master is to awaken the fallen conditioned souls like us. He gives us knowledge that is coming in disciplic succession. He engages us in Krishna conscious activities. He teaches us the real value of the human form of life. Now, devotees, please, what are your realizations on this particular point?
I can relate how Srila Gurudev is perfectly representing the disciplic succession. I was suffering from anxiety, but by Srila Gurudev's Vani association, I am getting sanctified. Taking shelter at your lotus feet has connected me with the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. Thank you.
Hare Krishna. Yes, Gurudev has so mercifully engaged me in Krishna consciousness. He personally replies to all the emails and showers his special mercy on us in the form of his divine instructions. Gurudev is always eager to see that every one of us progresses in our Krishna consciousness. Hare Krishna.
Gurudev is perfectly representing the principles of simple living and high thinking. It is only by his mercy that I have experienced a little bliss in Krishna consciousness. I am so thankful to Srila Gurudev from the core of my heart.
I have also heard Gurudev mentioning many times that we have to become pure devotees and make this world Krishna conscious. He is so enthusiastic and so eager to see the whole world become Krishna conscious very soon.
Thank you, dear devotees, for sharing your beautiful realizations. So now we'll move on to the third characteristics of the spiritual master. The spiritual master is above Varna Ashrama institution. He distributes the holy name of the Lord to the whole world. He is considered an incarnation of the Lord's potency. He is the real Uttamadhikari, a devotee of the topmost platform. So I request few other devotees to please give your thoughts on this.
What I have seen in Srila Gurudev is constantly meditating on the mood and mission of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Srila Prabhupada. He traveled all over the world preaching this sublime message of Krishna consciousness, delivering the fallen souls like myself.
Srila Gurudev is so glorious. He wants to attract the whole world to these teachings. Only by his mercy I am able to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Only by his mercy I am able to practice Krishna consciousness.
We cannot approach Krishna directly, but we can through his most merciful representative, that is our dear Srila Gurudev. And we should do our best to please him, and that is how Krishna will accept our service. Hare Krishna.
Srila Gurudev is confidential servitor of Lord. He is the external manifestation of Super Soul. I can understand the instructions of the Lord only by the mercy of Srila Gurudev, the eternal spiritual master. Hare Krishna.
In one of the letters, Srila Prabhupada has replied Srila Gurudev that aspiring to become the spiritual master of the whole world is a spiritual desire. And we can see how those transcendental qualities manifest in Srila Gurudev. Srila Gurudev is indeed a Mahabhagavat, a Paramahamsa. Hare Krishna.
Those were such wonderful realizations. Now we'll move on to the fourth characteristic. Spiritual master has only one business: to spread Krishna consciousness. He has no interest except for Krishna's service. He's always thinking, meditating 24/7, how to spread this Krishna consciousness movement to the whole world. And the association of such a spiritual master, we should always take advantage of it. So now, please share your realizations.
I would like to further submit that yes, Srila Gurudev is an exemplary devotee who can bring the whole world out of chaos by being perfectly in Krishna consciousness always. Srila Prabhupada said in one lecture, one who doesn't practice what he preaches is not qualified to become a guru. Srila Gurudev says, I cannot even dream of missing Mangala Aarti ever in any situation. This motivates me a lot and inspires me to keep steady in my sadhana bhakti.
Srila Gurudev, in his thought for the day, often strives out spreading Krishna consciousness to the whole world. Srila Gurudev, when he was a young brahmachari in 1972, inquired from Srila Prabhupada if he could aspire to become a Jagat Guru. Srila Prabhupada replied, this is the spiritual desire to become a Jagat Guru. This is not a material desire, and to desire Krishna in this way is all right.
Our Srila Gurudev is Pita Prajna, which means one is situated in fixed Krishna consciousness. During July 2013, ISKCON Austin, which also serves as a residence, was struck by lightning and devastated by fire. Srila Gurudev was on his preaching tour. When he heard that the place of worship and residence are unusable, he was not disturbed. As the Uttama Adhikari, totally absorbed in Krishna consciousness, he could hear an inner voice, don't worry, just be prepared to accept whatever Krishna arranges. And in full faith on Bhakta Vatsala Krishna, he was enjoying the ride. Hare Krishna.
I have entered the presentation. Time is up. Any questions?
Thank you, Prabhuji. Qualities of Srila Gurudeva are very well explained. Thank you for that, Prabhuji. I have one question is, how can one recognize and surrender to a person who is ultimately going to lead us to lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna?
Guru Vandana Mataji, would you like to answer this question?
Yes, Prabhuji. Thank you very much. In Truth Works,
book, Srila Gurudev answers your question. The answer is as follows. The spiritual master can be easily recognized by seeing that person whose only business is to repeat the words of Krishna without any addition or subtraction to everyone that he meets. Surrendering to him can also be easily accomplished. All you have to do is inform the spiritual master that you want to be his disciple and then ask him what he wants you to do. Disciple means one who disciplines himself by always meditating upon and following the instructions that he receives from his spiritual master. I've just extracted the answer from the book and I am informing you here. Is it okay? Is it clear, Prabhuji?
Yes, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
I remember Srila Gurudev saying it many times. Actually, difficulty is we don't set up priorities properly. We put material life as more important than spiritual life. We think, yes, spiritual life is good after I got my material life covered. And because of that, we struggle like anything to get ourselves together materially. I also understand surrendering to Guru and Krishna is only way. So Mataji, can you please explain what is the meaning of surrender?
Srila Gurudev explains, surrender means that we do whatever pleases Krishna and our Guru also. Krishna says this, Guru is a representative of Krishna. He means every thought, every word and every deed is for pleasure of Guru and Krishna. We do not do anything for our own enjoyment. That is surrender. Our own enjoyment will expand millions and billions of times when we do that. We do not lose anything by giving up the position of enjoyer. Indeed, we expand our enjoyment unlimitedly. That is the insider's secret. Jai Srila Gurudev.
Jai Srila Gurudev.